Hello guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build an apartment restaurant. So, first we're going to start with is 5 dark prismarine right here and another 5 dark prismarine. We're also going to add 2 stone pillars, or stone bricks, onto each corner. You're going to build up. Then what you're going to do, when you're done with these stone brick pillars, you're going to go back to dark prismarine blocks, build up 2 up, leave this gap right here, then build up right here. You're going to place that right there. So then you got that T shape. Then you're going to build 5 more blocks above that, of these 2 windows. Then you got your front of the building done. Then you're going to build 3 polished andesite staircases right here that are upside down. Then you're going to put more dark prismarine. Then you're going to put in a nice 1, 0, 1, 0 kind of alignment. Put that 2 blocks up. Then you're going to build this straight line right over here. Then you're going to build another one. Then keep on doing this. You're going to leave a block gap right there. Then you're going to put the dark prismarine staircases right over here. When you're done with that, we're going to put polished andesite staircases like this. Now staircases right there. Then we're going to go add the glass. Then you're going to add 2 big blocks of glass right there. Then you're pretty much done with all the glass. Now we're going to go over to the shutters. I'm using spruce trap doors. Then you're going to do that. Then you're going to do it on the other side. Then you're going to go down here to the very bottom floor and then put 2 more. And there you go, you're done with the front of the building. Now let's just build a big dark prismarine wall. So when you're done with that wall, we're now going to go over to the back wall. Do that. Blocks up. Now you're going to leave spaces for the windows. Then you're going to build up 1 more block. And kind of do the same, but add a window over the door. Okay, I did make a little mistake. Then we're going to do the same thing. Then you're going to leave a gap right there. Leave another gap over here and do the exact same as the front wall. Then I'm going to add the glass. Then the staircases. And then the shutters. Okay, so when you're done with the shutters, we're now going to go onto the roof. We're just gonna put stone like the other building right next to it. Okay, so when you're done building the roof, we're now gonna go into the interior of the building. So when you get all these items right here, we're now gonna go into the interior. We're going to build and dig out all of this grass. So now we're going to put stripped oak wood logs right here into a grid pattern. Then you're going to put jungle logs. Okay, so when you're done, this is what your floor should look like. Now I'm going to go over here. We're going to divide this area right here. We're going to put the flooring right over here as well. But the flooring in here is going to be different. It's going to be a kitchen floor. Now I'm using dark polished granite and polished diorite. Then you're going to put polished diorite in here. Now we're going to add the front door. And also the back door. Okay, so I'm going to show you to your next set of items. Okay, so when you go to the next set of items, we're going to build a wall over here. Build that wall right over here. We're going to do a little bit of a different design for this wall over here. So we're going to go and add like that little piece right there and a little bit of that right there. A little bit of decoratives. When you're done with that wall, we're going to go over here, add 2 grass blocks and spruce trapdoors, and we're going to add one over there. You can build a little booth right there. And do the other side. There we go. Then we're going to add some ferns. Then you're going to go over here. Then you're going to go and place a table down over here. But if you really want to get spacious, then you can just leave these 2 tables right over here. Okay, so we're gonna go add some oak wood logs over here. Now I'm gonna stir it up to the next room. So now we're gonna go on to the next step, and it will be the staircase area. I'm gonna dig out another area over here. Put stripped dark wood. And then stripped birch wood. Now that we're done with that, we're going to go over here and make the staircase. Then we're going to build up over here. So we're going to go build the second floor. So here's the stairwell. So now we're going to add some oak trapdoors right over here. We're gonna close all of them. Close all these. We're gonna leave a gap right over here for the next staircase. So we're gonna go over here. Then we're gonna add more trap doors. They're gonna make the third floor. And this should be the last floor in your building. So we're gonna build more over here. Then you're pretty much done, and then we're gonna add some oak wood trap doors. And that should be the stair floors. Then you're gonna go over here and then fill the rest of this up. Make sure you didn't make any mistakes on the way trying to build up your floors. You're gonna place that right there. Put one over here and one over there. Okay, so when you get in your next set of items, we're gonna go over to the kitchen now and build the kitchen. Crafting table over here, another one over here. Two of those, two furnaces. And place a torch right there. I'm gonna place a torch under that door. Another torch under this door. Then we're gonna go in here. We're gonna go and place a torch under there. Another torch under here. Another torch under here. Now we're gonna go over to the rooms. Dun, 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 dun. Rock lobster. Dun, 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 dun. A rock lobster. Okay, so here's all the items you're going to need for all the rooms. We're gonna go start down here and build over here. And make sure you get good spacing. Now we're gonna build a wall in between the center here. Build up this wall right here. Then what we're gonna do is go and tear that down. We're gonna go and tear this right down. And we're going to bring that up to the next story. Build that up. Build that up to the next story as well. Make sure they're all facing up as well. Then we're gonna go inside, build a wall like that. Carve that out. Then you're gonna go and carve that. Now what we're going to do over here is put in the bathroom. Then we're going to add the doors to everything. We're also going to switch out the flooring to the bathroom. So then we're going to add just a birch door right over here. Then we're going to put a dark oak door right here. Put a dark oak wood door right there. Then after that, you're going to go and copy the same design over here, up here, and here. So here's kind of like the floor layout. Here's where all the doors are going to be. The kitchen's going to be over here, bedroom, bathroom, and an eating area over here. So here's the floor plan. Then what you're going to do is flip it to the other side. Okay, so when you get done copying all the rooms, we're now gonna go into the main room of your apartment. We're first going to put a table, oak wood fence here, a pressure plate, and then we're gonna put one oak wood stairs to make a chair. I'm gonna go over here, make a crafting table over here, put a furnace, brown shulker box, then two shulker boxes over here, and boom, you're done. Then I'm gonna put a painting right here, make sure they're like that, and finishing touch is put a torch over here, and you're pretty much done with this room. Now we're gonna go on to the next room. Okay, now we're gonna start onto the bathroom. First thing you're gonna want to do is put a toilet over here that's white, that's a quart stairs. Then you're gonna put brown sugar box and two white stained glass, and then a torch, and you're pretty much done with your bathroom. Now we're gonna start in the bedroom. First we're gonna put a red bed over here, brown shulker box. I'm gonna put a torch over here, and then what we're going to do is put a brown shulker box over here so you can place the painting. This is my favorite painting right here, but you can pick any other painting. And that's pretty much the bedroom done. Then all you have to do is copy the entire apartment into the other area but flipped, and then put it onto the next floor. Just to make sure you guys know what the other version of flipped is, this is what the flipped version of the room is. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add a table over here. I'm going to put two bookshelves over here, two bookshelves over here. And all we gotta do is add another table over here. Then we're gonna add one painting over here. Then we're gonna add a torch in each of the doors on top of them. And we're gonna do the exact same on the other floor. Okay, so when you're done copying the other floor, you're pretty much done with the build. Next Wednesday, I'll be showing you guys how to build this building right here. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.